Alright, so I've got this double sink, and I noticed the other day when I was cleaning it that things seemed a little loose. Well, that's not good. After realizing what was going on, I checked underneath and there were tons of leaks and there was water sitting in there. So it is time to show you how I sealed the strainer. Alright, so here we are under the sink, and this is what happens. For this job, you will need a Leaky sink, a set of channel locks, some plumber's putty, and a sink strainer washer kit. And to get this off, you're just gonna lock a pipe wrench on that nut, and then just unscrew this ring up here. Alright, that's almost free. I'm going to take my pipe wrench off, and before I completely drop that ring, what I'm going to do is unscrew this. There we go. I'm going to drop this ring. Alright, now up top, just grab the inside of this and lift it out. Well, it's disgusting, so make sure you clean that off, and we're gonna come back. Alright, now it's time to prepare the plumber's putty, and just grab yourself a ball of plumber's putty and roll it out just like you would roll out some dough. Alright, now you take your strainer piece and you just loop it around. And what I like to do, you can see that there, what I like to do is, instead of pressing it against the threads, I make sure to press it down along the flange of the strainer. Alright, there we go. Alright, now you get out your strainer washer. And you want to make sure you put these on before you put your strainer back in. So the way these go is you go rubber side up, cardboard underneath. Alright, you grab your strainer, and all of my pieces are in, so I am ready to place this. And when I'm aligning it, I just want to make sure it matches the other side so they look normal. I will set it in kind of the middle. And I'm going to take you back under the sink where I tighten the nut. Alright, we're back under the sink. I'm going to attach my pieces. So first you're going to bring the gaskets up, followed by the nut, get it back on the threads, and it'll hold itself up. Alright, before we get going too far, I'm going to tighten this guy. Hand tight is good. Alright, it's about tight. Get your pipe wrench back on there. They make a tool for this, but I don't have one, so I'm just using whatever I have. And that's it. I've got my strainer tight and everything's in there in place. It's not moving at all. All we've got to do now is trim the putty, and we're ready to turn on the water.
If you like this content, please subscribe below. And thanks for watching.